If you're trying to figure out what the electrical whip is and why it matters for your air conditioner, you're in the right spot. So, the electrical whip is basically that flexible conduit carrying all the wires from your home's power source into the condenser unit outside. It's like the AC's lifeline, making sure electricity gets where it needs to go safely. When you're checking or installing an AC unit, always look for this whip, because if it's damaged or not installed right, your AC could be in trouble. Keep it protected from weather and critters. Those things can chew through or wear down the wires. If you ever see exposed wiring or cracks in the conduit, get that fixed as soon as possible to avoid electrical shorts or worse. When you replace or upgrade your AC, make sure the electrical whip is the right size and type. Using the wrong one can cause overheating or trip your breaker. Also, don't try to stretch or bend it too much because that can mess up the insulation inside. If you're not sure about the whip's condition, bringing in a pro electrician or HVAC technician is a smart move to keep things safe and working smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their AC electrical whip is ignoring wear and tear. Over time, weather and sun can crack the conduit, exposing wires, which is super risky. Fix that by checking regularly and replacing any damaged parts fast. Another common issue is improper installation where the whip isn't secured well, causing it to hang loose and get snagged or torn. Make sure it's clamped tight and routed properly. Lastly, using the wrong type of conduit or wire size is a frequent problem that leads to breaker trips or even fire hazards. Always match your whip specs with your AC unit's power requirements and local code rules. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like electrical whips and AC installations safely. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work from people who really need their expertise without all the hassle of hunting clients themselves.